Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time since I posted. I'm doing great. I've just been focusing on school and everything else that I've needed to do. So here we have my master brake cylinder out of my 91 MR2. This one is actually being restored to go on sale for parts because I don't need it and the car's just going to get scrapped anyway. So first thing that I'm going to do is disconnect these brake lines, and then we're going to take off the master cylinder plastic piece itself, and then we'll get to this part in the second video. It'll be taking apart the inside to the master brake cylinder right here, like all throughout here, snap ring and all gonna come out. It's all gonna get restored using MR2, which is who was proudly sponsoring this video. So let's get right into work. So these are 10 millimeter, which I have the assortment of wrenches that I need right here. So we're gonna take 10 millimeter and we're going to loosen these. I've already pre-loosened them so that way, because it's just easier. And I am using the wrong type of wrench for this, only because I didn't want to really go and dig around for the correct wrench. I mean, I have one, just I didn't feel like using it. Alright, that one is good finger tight. I am going to be spilling some brake fluid on the floor, so that'll be fun. Really fun. Alright, we have this off now. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is actually unscrew these, which I've already pre-loosened when it was out on the car. We're going to set this aside here on my box. Same thing with this one. And then I'm also going to set that down on the box as well. So now we have to get into taking off this actual plastic piece of cylinder. So it is actually, on this side of the camera, it's a P2 Phillips, which I'm going to grab that. It's just a standard number 2 Phillips. Take that out. Alright. As you guys can see, it's got spacer and all. So, set that there. And then that pops right out. And then I'm going to do a video specifically. This is going to be like a 4 or 5 part video just for this one project. And I'm actually going to do a specific video on cleaning this out, how to clean out all the brake fluid without using expensive stuff like brake cleaner and other aerosolized products, a homemade sort of solution to clean out all that. So now you have these here. They are a rubber or like a rubber grommet sort of thing. You guys can see where the brake fluid was. It's clean, but then where it was meeting the housing, you guys can see all of the rust on that. And there's 2 of them, one on each side. This one, definitely not as bad. And I can throw these in the MR2. So that's always a good thing. So then we're just going to loosen up the vise. This is going to drip brake fluid. So I'm just going to throw down the rag that I have sitting over here. So you guys are probably wondering, what's this big old thing behind me? This is actually a reloading press. If any of you for some reason would like to learn a little bit about like reloading, let me know in the comments below. I can definitely make some of those videos for you. Currently I can reload 45 ACP, 40 S&W, 9mm, and 380 auto. So if you guys really want to see that, let me know. either by commenting or liking this video, and I will definitely, like right now, like we just started reloading 45, so video, or not like a video on it, but like we need to figure out like powder and everything. We've got 10 rounds with a test powder, and we're going to test that, see how they fire, and if they need a little bit more powder to them, we'll add a little bit more powder, and then I'll make a video on that. And then I'll be making a video also on how to clean your brass and or nickel plated rounds. I'm using the wrong style of snap ring pliers here. I have ones that open up. I need ones that close down, which I have in the garage. And these ones, I don't know if they're entirely going to work. Alright, let's throw a little bit of Freol penetrating fluid. Not the sponsor of today's video, but I like their product. Just soak that in there. It'll actually, I like this actually more for cleaning grease than anything else. So I should probably grab the right pair of pliers for this, but I'll be fine. There we go. Alright. Now we're just going to use a normal pair of pliers now that we've broken that free and take that out. Just going to use a standard, or not like standard pair, like a smaller needle nose. But like we're still stuck over here, so there we go. Alright. I'm not the best with dealing with these by any means, so I struggle a little bit to take these out. So let me actually go find the right pair of pliers and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back with a better set of pliers here, of snap ring pliers. There we go. There we go, nice and successful snap ring pull. Alright, so now we have another part in here. I'm not sure how that comes out because I've never taken apart one of these before. Alright. Well, not entirely sure. Alright. That's going to wrap it up for this video. Today, actually, no it isn't. I misspoke there. We're going to actually take out these copper cap or plug caps. Not entirely sure of the technical name, but alright. Grab a rag and then get a crescent wrench. Alright. So back when Craftsman was still good, we had bought quite a few tools from them. So I'm not entirely sure how well this is going to work out. There we go. There's one. And we have a crush washer along with this one, so gotta remember that. There's also more parts to the inside of this. Not entirely sure if they come out yet or not. Oh yeah, so we got spring. Alright, that's just brake fluid. And then we're not going to mess with that. This is going to dump out a bit of brake fluid. I have a rag down there. There we go. And then we're going to take off this other one. And these are steel parts. I can verify that for you right now. But do I absolutely need to? Steel. Magnet sticks right to it. See? Steel. So, the jaws of the vise won't break it. Plus, I don't have a handle on this vise, due to we lost it when we moved, but this one should take just about the same amount of pressure. 1, 2, 3, and it's a little difficult without the leverage you normally have on like a breaker bar or even a ratchet in general. Okay, not budging. What's our size on this? $21 millimeters. Got it. Alright. Half-inch drive. Long breaker bar. 21mm short socket. Or is it a 22? Oh, it's a 22. Disregard that. Yeah, that's what I want right there. Alright. So this is going to wrap up our video. But this won't even budge loose. There we go. Alright. I was on there a little bit tighter than I thought. I do have torque specs for all this on my PDF for my PDF manual. So I do know how to correctly put this thing back together. We have a bigger spring. And then this plug rubber side down. And that comes out with a tiny flathead screwdriver. So actually, we're just use that to wrap up the video. But I mean, if you guys have other ideas of things you would like to see me do in the future, also let me know in the comments. But as soon as I'm done with this, I'm actually going to go work on a project for school. And then this will be uploaded tonight. Today is February 12th, 2019. So you guys can expect this out on the 13th or even on Valentine's Day. I'm not doing anything, so. Alright. Okay, we're gonna pretend like nobody just saw that. It's a rip right there. Alright. So why won't this come out? I do not know. I mean, no, I'll just twist it like this then. I need smaller than a 1/8 inch flathead to take this out. Okay, now if this one does not do it, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Nope. So I won't even do it. Okay. Huh. This is actually taking up a lot more time than I thought to get this little piece out. There we go. It's turning now. I guess this is aluminum. An aluminum piece. Not entirely sure. I'm not entirely sure if I'm supposed to be taking it out or not. But alright. It doesn't even seem like it's coming out at all. Alright. We'll just leave this off here. Next video you will see both this part and the other part, which is down there. That one will be finished disassembled by the time the next video is.